In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Gemini AI app on Windows 11 and 10. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it truly helps support my channel and brings you more great content like this. Now let's dive right in. First off, you should know that as of now, Google doesn't offer a standalone native desktop application for Windows. But don't worry, you can easily install Gemini AI as a progressive web app or PWA. This means you'll get the benefit of a dedicated desktop icon, it runs in a separate window, and you can quickly access it without cluttering your browser tabs. Sounds pretty convenient, right? To get started, the first step you need to take is to open Google Chrome. Make sure you have it updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once you have Chrome open, head over to the Gemini AI website. You can do this by simply typing Gemini AI into your search engine, but for the most straightforward route, just enter the URL of the Gemini AI platform directly. It should only take a moment to load. Once you're on the Gemini AI platform, the next step is to sign in with your Google account. This is necessary because it allows you to access all your personalized settings and preferences. If you already have your credentials handy, just enter them, and you'll be ready to go in no time. If this is your first time, it will guide you through the sign-in process. Now that you're signed in, the next task is to find the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser. This menu is also sometimes referred to as the More menu. Clicking on it opens up a variety of options that pertain to your browsing experience. Once you click on that menu, you're going to want to hover over the option that says Cast. This might confuse you a bit, but hang on tight as we are almost there. After hovering over Cast, keep an eye out for the option that says Save and Share. Click on this option, and it will open up even more possibilities for you. Amid these selections, you should see the option labeled Install Page as an App. This is the key step that will help you create that shiny new icon on your desktop. Click on Install Page as an App. At this point, a new pop-up will appear asking for your confirmation to proceed with the installation. This pop-up is a good indicator that the process is working. You'll notice a button labeled Install within that pop-up prompt. Go ahead and click on that button. After clicking Install, the Gemini AI app will begin the installation process. You should be able to see the new application icon shortly on your desktop or even in your Start menu, depending on how Windows organizes newly installed apps. Once it's done, you can simply close your browser, and from now on, whenever you want to use the Gemini AI app, you can just click the icon on your desktop. This not only streamlines your access, but also gives you a fresh, dedicated window to work with, separating it from other distractions. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Gemini AI app on your Windows 11 or 10 operating system. If you run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below and I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and tricks. Happy exploring with Gemini AI.